It doesn't, but it's still gross.
It is.
Good girl, Masha.
What do you think about the big fluffy dog, guys? Good girl, Masha. Is she petting Masha?
She's trying.
Everyone wants Masha. Hi, buddy. Hi, homie. I'm excited to see the puppies now. I want you to kiss. Thank you, though.
Girl, Masha.
Gave me a kiss back. His ears are really cute right now.
They're like kind of like sitting out a little.
Kind of makes him look like a terrier or something. Homie. Homie. What was that? Did he get startled? Or was he just trying to play?
I think he was like, it was part play and part, he was like, oh my god, that big dog's coming towards me.
He bit him. He bit her. I think he's having a little bit of a poop problem or something right now. What are you doing, buddy? We don't need to get that on video.
Aww.